This video is going to be how to solve the Susan and Warren collecting signatures problem using elimination. So if you remember, the slope-intercept form was y is equal to 3x plus 20 for Susan, and Warren was y is equal to 4x plus 10. And what we have is that Susan started off with 20, so started with 20 signatures and is collecting 3 new signatures per minute. So starting point and the rate, y-intercept, and the slope. Here, Warren started off with 10 and is collecting 4 new signatures per minute. So his rate is 4 and his y-intercept is 10. So your slope, your y-intercept, m, b. And this one is your y-intercept, so that's the b, and the slope is your m, and the y is equal to mx plus b. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to put them in line. So Susan is, or what we have to do is actually solve it. So we're going to turn the slope-intercept form into the standard form. So you have y is equal to 3x plus 20. And to get the standard form, if you remember, is ax plus by is equal to c. So you're going to subtract 3x from both sides of the equal sign. And so now our new form is negative 3x plus y is equal to 20. And we're going to do the same for Warren. Okay, so Warren is y is equal to 4x plus 10. We're going to subtract 4x on both sides, and we have negative 4x plus y is equal to 10. So now what we're going to do is we're going to solve this as a system. So what I like to do is put negative 3x plus y is equal to 20 right on top of our other equation, which is negative 4x plus y is equal to 10. Now, what we're trying to do is use elimination. So by using elimination, we're going to pick one of the variables to eliminate. And I'd like to eliminate y because they have the same coefficients. I also notice that they have the same sign. So these are both positives, like these are both negatives. They have different coefficients. And so I think it would be easier for me if I multiplied by negative 1 on both sides of the equal sign. And so that transforms my equation to become negative 1 times negative 4 is 4x. Negative 1 times positive 1 is just going to be minus y. Negative 1 times 10 is equal to negative 10. And Susan's equation stays the same. Now I'm going to add them together like I would normally add. So we'll start over here. 20 plus negative 10 is equal to positive 10. Y plus negative y is equal to 0y. Negative 3x plus 4 is equal to 1x. So really what that means is x is equal to 10. Now what I'm going to do is put what x is equal to back into the equation Susan had. So we had negative 3 times 10 plus y is equal to 20. We are solving for y, so we're going to simplify. Negative 3 times 10 is negative 30 plus y is equal to 20. We're going to add 30 on both sides, and we get that y is equal to 50. So our final answer should actually read solution point of 10, 50. 10 being that the x came from this 10, y is the 50. And this means that at 10 minutes, both Warren and Susan will have collected 50 signatures. All right, and that would be your final answer.